Hello team, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss about list comprehension. What is list comprehension? List comprehension is basically creating a list from the existing iterable items. What are the advantages of using list comprehension? It is easy to understand and make code more elegant. We can write the program with simple expressions. List comprehensions are very faster than a for loop whenever we make some conditions in comprehension. This is one sample comprehension. The first X, this is representing expression or returnable. The next X is a variable. Okay, it is user defined. Again, the first one is also user defined. Okay, we can give any name as we like. The last one is items. That is a iterable items. So whatever iterable items we are going to use in our program, we can declare here in this place within square bracket. Let's get into the session for sample programming. Let me create a new Python file. Name list comprehension. Let me run this in presentation mode so that content it will be very clear. First I am going to write one simple program now. New list is equal to x for x in range 10. So here I have given range is 10. Let's print new list. Since I have given range 10, so we have got this output and it is a type is list type. For this we have written 2 line of code. If same thing if you want to achieve using for loop, we have to write couple more lines. Let me write in for loop to show the difference. For x in range 10. Print I have to create a new list here. New list. Basically it is a empty list. Okay, here we have to append new list 1 dot append x. Print new list 1. If I run this program for this and this, we will get the same output. Let's see here in this console, and let me mention here very clearly to show the difference. From list comprehension. Let's run this program now. Hope you can able to see the output. Both the output are same. For list comprehension, we have achieved this with single line. But here in for loop, we have to do this in 3 lines. This is the difference, and it is very clear. This x is returnable item, and this x is a variable, and this is a iterable. But here I have given range, so it picked up that range. Instead of a range, we can mention one list also here in this place. I'm going to use the list which I created above. Here also I'm going to define the same. Let's run this program now. See the difference. There is no difference at all. This is a difference actually. Less syntax and very easy to understand when we are using list comprehension. And we can add more conditional statement also as part of list comprehension. Let me show you that. Let's clear this program here. And here I'm adding conditional statement if x modulus 2 equal to 0. Now in this case it will return only even numbers. Let's run this program now. See, it has given only even number 246. So this is the output what we are having now. For the same, I'm going to write program using for loop. For I in new list if I modulus 2 double equal to 0. Then I have to add those numbers into the list. For this I have to create one empty list. Let me create empty list here. New list 1. So empty list we have created. So let me add value here. New list 1 dot append I print new list 1. If I run this program now, the output for the both it is similar. There will be no difference, but only the difference is number of lines what we have written. This is from for loop and this is from comprehension. So comprehension we have done statement, declaration, everything in single line, but here we have done this with 3 lines. So here it will be looks like very easy to understand and readable, but here we have to go step by step. This is the output what we have received from the script. Here output is same for both, but the difference is like how many lines we have written to achieve this. Here in list comprehension we have written this in a single line, but here in for loop we have done this with 4 lines. This is a major difference. And the next point is it is readable and it is reduced line of code in our script. We can add expression, declaration, condition, everything inside list comprehension. Hope you like this content. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.